And good Wednesday afternoon to you from the Kentucky Weather Studio. This is meteorologist Daniel Wilson. Glad to have you along as we look at the risk of severe weather upcoming for the state. We'll go ahead and get Wednesday out of the way. We're not seeing any risk of severe weather for today or tonight across the area, but the likelihood of severe weather increases tomorrow and tomorrow night across Kentucky. The Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, has indicated an enhanced risk of severe weather for tomorrow and tomorrow night. Now, some of the areas included would be Paducah, Murray, Mayfield, Hopkinsville, Bowling Green, and the Owensboro metro area. So those are the places of concern for severe weather tomorrow. An enhanced risk, meaning numerous severe thunderstorms are likely to occur, and persons should be heads up and be alert to changing weather conditions throughout the day and night on Thursday. The latest wind shear models show impressive wind shears. That's winds aloft up in the atmosphere that will help trigger showers and thunderstorms. The significant tornado parameter model that we look at is indicating parts of western Kentucky is likely for a few tornadoes to develop. So that will also be another threat that we'll have to look at for tomorrow. The energy helicity models, the model that we look at to see how much energy is in a thunderstorm as it develops and progresses across any particular area, shows the strongest part of this frontal boundary moving through. The strongest part would be in western Kentucky and advancing over into as far as areas west of Interstate 75. So eastern Kentucky tomorrow and tomorrow night seems to be pretty clear for you guys, but areas to the west of Interstate 75, the likelihood of severe weather does exist throughout the period. Now, we would remind folks that this is an outlook and combined in with a forecast. We are going to have thunderstorms tomorrow, and the best chance of anything severe would be in the western part of the state. As far as the south central Kentucky area, we are in a slight risk, which means that we will have the possibility of scattered severe thunderstorms throughout that period, and some of those could be intense in nature, strong in nature, and we should be prepared for this to occur. And many of the models that we're looking at now puts that threat basically from Interstate 75 to the west. That would include the Lexington, Louisville area, as well as Green River, Lake Cumberland, and the Dale Hollow community, and areas basically to the east of Bowling Green, Kentucky. So it's going to be a stormy day, unsettled day tomorrow. Remember that thunderstorms can go severe without little or no warning. Another thing, that tornadoes can occur. Even though I think our tornado threat in the south central Kentucky is low, tornadoes can occur without warning as well. In fact, one tornado occurred in Adair County a few years ago, and the reflectivity on the radar had the Weather Service calling us pretty much liars that there's no way possible. But with thanks to video and proof of the damage, it was confirmed an EF0 tornado that was in northern Adair County about 5 or 6 years ago. So keep all of that in mind, that severe weather is approaching Kentucky, and Thursday appears to be a severe weather day across the Commonwealth, and you should stay alert and be prepared to take action in the event that weather watches and warnings are issued later tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in to the Kentucky Weather Studio. I'm meteorologist Daniel Wilson.